What do you mean by organic farming? Yeah, we don't use chemicals as far as possible, or we will not use any damaging chemicals. So that is what is called organic farming. So in organic farming, what is, if suppose you are not able to use chemical, what is that we can use? See, we should be using all the natural resources. That is, we depend less on other resources. So what are the different natural resources involved in farming? Hmm? Now before waste, there are many other things. Hmm? Sunlight. We have seen sunlight is a very, very important requirement. Next is soil. We need soil to cultivate. Water. Then we need biodiversity. Biodiversity includes all the macro, micro biodiversity. Then the most important resource, we, human resource. Only if we are there, farming will happen. So you are all, we in our company, we say that you are all warriors, not just students. So we want you to be warriors. What is the war that you are fighting? Yeah, to protect the microbes. That is one thing, and for that you have to make sure that the microbes are surviving in the soil. Wherever they have to survive, we have to make them survive. Then another major war that you are all we are inviting you to be part of is, have you heard of something called climate change? What is climate change? Now, can you give me an example of climate change? Huh? Yeah. See, now itself is going on. I agree with you. So we are having an early summer. Normally in February we don't have this much temperature in Coimbatore. So we are having our summer has set in advance. But what exactly is climate change? Why? What is driving climate change? What is the reason for climate change? Hmm? Pardon? Yeah, she is saying global warming. What is global warming? Hmm? Yeah. When there is warming, there is temperature increase. But why? Huh? Emission? No, I agree with you, but how do you connect emission? Of course, yeah, emissions are there, but how exactly is the emission causing warming? Hmm? Actually, ozone, that is a false. Ozone layer has got nothing to do with this. Hmm? See, have you heard of greenhouse gases? What is greenhouse? How many of you have gone to Ooty Botanical Garden? Huh? In the Ooty Botanical Garden, there is one glass house. What is the purpose of that glass house? There is one glass house in Ooty Botanical Garden. Why do we have that glass house? Hmm? You have to seriously do your homework on all this, because these are going to touch your life in a very, very serious manner. You are all hardly 22, 21, 20. So your life, you are just starting to live in this world. So these things are going to touch your life in a very strong way. So I told you, we are inviting you all to become warriors. Now this year your student life will be over. From all those who are going for higher studies, you can continue to study. But from today onwards, we are inviting you to become warriors. One is soil and the microbes, protecting the microbes in this world. That is going to be your one big job. Another job is to ensure that we don't let the global warming continue the way it is happening now. Because if it happens, continues, then we will not be there.